Hey, John, catch this.
What's up, man?
Point it toward, hold the camera, just hold the camera. Look at me. You see me?
Yeah.
I want people to understand that some of these people that are here are still out here from my times of being in the street. You know, so it's sad, but it's true that some people just don't want to let go. They don't want to turn loose of this old tradition. They think this is life. And the devil has defeated them in a sense. But we're here to let them know that God is still yet in the winning business. They can still win, they can still get the victory if they turn over and let God give them some help. Amen.
Amen.
There you go, D. Talk on that thing, baby.